So somebody had to get up while it was still dark out to go get her braces done this morning. You want to tell us about that?
I got my bottom wire and bands taken off yesterday because I had to get a filling. So this morning we had to go early for them to put the bottom one back on.
I am unsure as to why they took your braces off to do that. Oh, you want a marshmallow bunny?
We can get one.
I'll show you guys our St. Patrick's Day hot cocoa bar.
Green?
We set this up. I actually made a TikTok
And
about it if you
yeah.
guys want to check that out. And Jagger knows that the marshmallows are in the back, so he comes over and asks for them. So it has been a really hectic week. We actually had to move around a bunch of appointments and stuff. So all the kids had like orthodontist, dentist, medical, like doctor appointments. I have a doctor's appointment that I had to move around. We decided to book a last minute spring break vacation. So we're actually going to be taking the kids to do something they've never done before. We booked a 6-day cruise to Mexico and they're really excited. We're gonna be leaving pretty soon. And actually today, what are we doing today?
We're gonna go shopping for clothes.
Like resort wear and like everything, because it's gonna be warm and nice. And we actually haven't gone shopping since Hawaii for that kind of stuff. And Gabrielle over here with her beautiful new hair. It looks really good today. Did you curl it?
I curled it yesterday. I just like haven't really touched it.
I can see all the blonde highlights like in the light because I hear like through the window.
It's like more underneath the ponytail. I don't know if you guys can see.
It looks really pretty. I really like it. Are you excited about our trip?
Yes.
We do need to get swimsuits for some people and like we said, like some resort wear. And Jeff, do you need anything? What do you need for the cruise?
I don't need anything. I travel light. I have some trunks I think that match Jagger's.
Yes, do my little boys have some matching?
And what else do I
swim
need?
gear?
I got my wife and my kids.
What?
We just 3-in-1.
3-in-1?
The little body wash, hair wash.
Oh yeah, he just needs a tube of 3-in-1 everything man
And a
wash.
lot of times I have that. It says soap and you just squinch and then you just...
Jagger's being so cute playing baby dolls. Are you playing with babies?
Baby.
You're taking care of them. You're doing such a good job being their daddy. Oh, you have 3? Oh my goodness. Oh, you're rocking him? All right, so what do you guys actually need for this trip? What are you thinking?
I think I need some more shirts because like I have like 3 pairs of jeans and then I have like a pair of like
You need some
towel pants.
shorts. I think it's gonna be warm.
Well, I only have like 2 pairs of pants.
I know,
Well,
you've
one of
kind
them
of
is
grown
stretchy.
like a weed. I was just looking at a video of you like on TikTok, from TikTok, like from a year ago, and you have had a huge growth spurt. Like it is crazy. We actually need to see, I actually think that Gwen might be taller than Graceland now.
I am.
Graceland is 5'3". She stopped growing.
She always wears like the
tall.
3-inch Converse.
She wears
or something.
platforms. But Graceland stopped growing at your age, at like 12, which is a little early to stop growing, but she's 5'3", she's maxed out. And Gwen,
Not maxed out.
you think you're gonna have a late teen growth spurt?
5'4".
I mean,
Aren't you,
tiptoes.
like, 5'2"?
Gwen, aren't we 5'2"? I think you guys are 5'3", but we might have to measure and see. But Gwen is definitely gonna overtake you, I think, soon, if she hasn't already.
It's on overtaking.
So I think shorts and then like kind of resorty type stuff, and then
patterns.
yeah. How are we on swimsuits for you guys?
I
need
think
one swimsuit.
I have
You need
like
one?
1 2-piece and then 1 1-piece.
Okay, you need at least 2. Like if you just had 2, that's probably okay, but ideally 3, I think. Gemma just came over. What do you think you need for the cruise?
I think I need sandals.
Okay, sandals. Well, you have a pair of Crocs. You want like flip-flops?
Crocs are really dirty. You gotta clean.
Well, we also, actually, I don't think I mentioned it yet, but we are going to be going to Universal Studios. Gwen just made a face. Did you not know? Did you not know? Surprise! Universal Studios! Surprise!
I knew we were going to Mexico, but I didn't know we were going there.
So it's actually going to be a little bit of a road trip because we actually have to drive like down to SoCal to get to the cruise terminal. So we're going to be driving down there, doing the cruise, and then on our way back, because we have to drive through LA, that's when we're gonna go to Universal Studios. And I didn't know that you didn't know, Gwen, but I knew that Graceland knew.
You probably told like Gracie and like everyone else, but I probably was like upstairs or something.
Okay, yeah, probably. So we just have to remember to get all of our Universal Studios stuff. Like the kids have like Harry Potter wands, and what else is for Universal Studios? I heard they have like Mario World now.
Ooh.
Like Super Mario. I heard that that's like a big thing. They just opened it.
I like the butterbeer. Okay, like
Butterbeer is really good.
right before COVID, I got this Stitch lanyard that I think is really cute, but it's been sitting in my room for like 3 years, so now I get to take it there.
You could take it. Well, I mean, that's like Disney, but you can take it to Universal. It doesn't
Yeah,
really
I
matter.
see that.
Totally. I'm really excited about Super Mario World. So we actually need, okay, so I think a couple of the kids need shoes because, yeah, Gemma doesn't have like flip-flops. She has some Crocs, but she doesn't have anything else. Jagger needs some sandals. He only has sneakers because his feet are growing so much.
Converse. platform.
I got you a pair of flip-flops already. I went shopping at Target and I did get them. So I'm gonna show you guys here in just a sec, like some stuff that we already bought and talk about like packing. Because we do have some stuff already, but you guys, I think, do need some closed-toed shoes because there's like, do you know there's theme nights on this cruise ship?
Oh, that's cool.
Like formal nights and stuff. So
Probably. Okay, so I have this one pair of Converse that's like all black, and it's so like I have to like to get a Mr. Clean sponge like every day and like
to get the white, the
Yes,
little
because
things on it, yeah.
I run around in them like in the yard and there's like dried grass on them and they're always so dirty. And, like,
Oh, somebody's yelling, guys. Oh, you heard his call?
Oh yeah.
He was going, guys. Where did he learn that?
I don't know.
I like his
little
little
tired,
mullet.
though.
His little mullet's coming in nice. So, are we gonna go shopping before or after his nap, or should we just let him sleep in the stroller?
Ooh, yeah, sleep in the stroller's fine if he wants to. But
Yeah.
not a late nap, because that's the worst.
Oh my gosh, he was up last night. How late were you up, sir?
11. Say 11.
Yeah, too late. 11. Wanted to give a huge shout out to Seed for sponsoring this part of today's vlog. So I've actually been taking Seed's DSO1 Daily Symbiotic for a couple months now, and I'm really loving it. Seed's actually a 2-in-1, so you get to take your probiotics and your prebiotics at the same time. It's formulated to support gut health, skin health, heart health, and digestion. I also love that it's vegan and it doesn't require any refrigeration, which is really awesome if you're always on the go. The refillable glass jar contains your first 30-day supply of DSO1 and protects your bacteria from light and moisture. You'll also get a complimentary travel vial that's designed to hold up to a 1-week supply of your DSO1, so it's perfect for traveling. I love that the product is backed by science and it's super easy. I just take 2 capsules on an empty stomach before breakfast every day. Seed's Capsule and Capsule ViaCap protects the bacteria from oxygen, moisture, and heat through shipping. It then safeguards the bacteria's viability from stomach acid and bile salts so they reach your gut alive. This is how the refills come. It's a 30-day supply. Because we're going on a trip though, I'm gonna be using the travel vial, so I'm gonna count out enough for that and then just refill the rest into my normal jar. This is actually the first time I've ever used the travel vial. One of my favorite things about Seed is how the product doesn't require any refrigeration. So I'm just gonna throw this in like my toiletry bag with the rest of our stuff and I'm good to go. If you wanna learn more or you wanna try out Seed for yourself, you can use my code and the link in the description box to get 15% off your first month of Seed's DSO1 Daily Symbiotic. Thanks again to Seed for sponsoring this part of today's vlog.
So I'm going to show you guys what we're working with already here.
A lot of stuff. So we're using our dining room table kind of as like packing central.
Yeah.
The kids have been kind of compiling piles of clothes and swimsuits, and then here's a I bought a bunch of flip-flops for the older kids. So also Jeff was making fun of me.
I doubt that.
Oh, yeah, once I show you what this is, you're gonna be like, oh, that's right, I did.
Then maybe.
So I've been watching a lot of TikToks about cruises and everything you need to buy, and I got some seasickness stuff.
Okay, that's true. Oh yeah.
This is actually to go on the back of the door to organize our things.
Oh yeah, a little shoe organizer.
Yeah. So the funniest
Okay.
thing that I got though for seasickness, because last time Jeff and I have been on a cruise before, but it was like a long time ago. I was pregnant with Grace.
And it's not, I know what she's about to show you. It's not just from that. It's she bought 9 remedies, perhaps. So it seems like a little bit of overkill.
Have you guys seen these seasickness glasses? They're freaking hilarious.
I hope they help.
These are a last resort. Okay, these are like.
You're not gonna start with that?
I'm not gonna start with this, but this is like a last resort thing. I saw a TikTok, I was influenced. They're on Amazon. So this is like if somebody's like really not doing well, and by somebody, probably me and or Gabrielle, because we're the ones that kind of get car sick. But I was told to buy lanyards for the cruise. I did get like every type of seasickness thing imaginable.
Like ginger and
Dramamine.
Dramamine and all like, but more than
sorts of
that.
stuff.
Like I didn't even know this stuff existed.
I did also towel bands to hold your towels on the chairs.
Which
on cruise
seems excessive, but
the
I guess if
people-
it's windy and you don't want the wind to yeet your towel into the ocean.
Exactly. Okay, and this is a thing that was on Shark Tank, I guess. But this is for like when we make TikToks or like we want to vlog or whatever on our phones or do a live
Is it a
or
light?
something.
What is it?
It
Oh,
sticks to like anything.
Oh.
And it's reusable, so like you can like put it on a wall and then like you take a picture, or because we have like remote. What's that little thing where you can take like pictures?
Yeah,
on your
it's just a
phone?
little Bluetooth remote,
Yeah,
I guess.
so it connects to the camera. So if we want to like take pictures without anybody else's help or like do a video or something, I saw
Okay.
these and I thought that was pretty cool. I got 2, one for
Alright.
each of us.
All right.
You're like, that's a little overkill.
Yay.
I also got, there's so much seasickness stuff in here. Oh, 'cause for the lanyards, you need to have, oh, these are luggage checks. There's ones that look just like this, but they're for the lanyards to hold the cards.
Yeah, the clear ones for the cards,
They're
and
down here.
so you got a lot of stuff.
I think I'm doing it.
That's
I
what I'm
think
seeing here.
I think I'm planning appropriately.
You got a charger. I saw that. You got a
special charger.
I think it's over there on the other side.
So it can't be surge protected, I guess, to go on
Right.
a cruise ship. So I bought a special one. Again, all this stuff was from Amazon, pretty affordable. I'm trying to like plan in advance to make sure it's like the best experience possible because our kids have never done anything like this before and we really want them to like it.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited. But this is only, if you can imagine, like what would you say, like a third of the stuff we're gonna need?
I mean, yeah,
'Cause we're not
mostly the
even-
clothes.
Yeah, like this is like swimsuits and like resort wear stuff that we have, which we need more. We're going shopping today. But this also doesn't include like any of their other clothes. They haven't packed those yet. So I think we have to pack light, but how light can you pack for 8
8 people, yeah.
So anyway, this is where it's at, but we're gonna collect everybody and then head to the mall so that we can get
Get
everything
some
else we
stuff,
need.
yeah. First stop, swimsuits.
Look how cute this pattern is. It's like a cross between like a bikini and a full piece.
I like that. Little one piece. Oh, ooh la la, bikini. Did you find anything?
Mannequin broken.
Oh, the mannequin's broken? That's what you found? Look
Uh.
what I found. Silly goose. Your hair is wild.
Behind the scenes.
Not my first ponytail. Not my best, but not my first.
Gwen, you look so cute. I love this look.
I like the sleeves on this one.
I love the sleeves on that one, and I like the shorts. Plus, I think they go well with some of your other swimsuits.
It would look good in my two-piece, where the top one's kind of like...
Yeah, totally. I love the. Can you turn around so I can see the back of this one? It is so pretty. I love it. It gives me Hawaii vibes. All right, I think this is the winner for Gabrielle of all the ones she tried on. It's super cute.
It's really comfortable too.
I like the straps on it. Like the straps are adorable.
I'm sure the swimsuits look awesome. I got little Jagger to finally take his nap, so we're gonna be rolling now, going to some more stores, right?
Yes.
Did you get some good stuff?
Nothing was really like...
Nothing jumped out to you?
So we've wandered into the like kind of Billabong, Roxy, Hurley resort vacation clothes.
How soft this is.
Ooh.
Ooh, that is nice. Do we need hats?
I'm getting this.
I'm
getting
not really a
this.
hat person.
Look at the little shells.
It is really
Oh,
cute.
but I do think for the cruise we have one sun hat at home.
So all the blogs that I read and like TikToks I watched said that we should have like little tote bags and stuff to carry around our stuff.
I do
Give
have
me my
a
mom
promo
vibes. My mom's getting us today.
This is cute.
I'm sure.
That is cute.
So I would get something like that, but I already have one almost
It has a
exactly like
pocket.
that at home.
You want it.
It's really cute. I also really like ones with fun little prints.
No, you like this one more though.
The plain?
Yeah, the plane's the best one.
The plain. What about some big
And they
hats?
remind-
This
bigger.
floppy hat is really cute.
Grayson's like, how many bags are you wearing? Do they have a hat that matches?
Ooh, if they do.
Just go all out.
Honestly, they all match because it's straw.
You're doing it. What happened to your hair, babe?
Oh no.
Dad took the kids to the arcade while we
Yeah.
were shopping, and would you win? Did you go in a wind tunnel?
Yeah, wind tunnel is the hurricane machine.
Did you really?
No.
Oh. Oh wait, Gretchen knows something.
Did a moving thing.
Oh. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you made it better or worse. I think you made it worse.
Wait, let me.
There you go. Oh my gosh, Gemma, what did you win?
I don't know what it's called, but it's this.
Is it squishy?
It's a cat
Can I squish it?
face.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Did you get it in one of those little claw machines or did you win it from playing games?
I win it from one of the clubs.
The claw machines? Did Daddy help you? He's good at those.
So Gwen found some really cute hats. Which one do you like more?
I like this. I like this and this one. But I really like denim and it's blue.
Oh, it's up to you. What'll go with more of your stuff, you think? Like, would you want jeans and a jean hat?
I mean, like I have jeans color, but this one's more beachy. So
Kind of fun.
probably
I lean towards that one a little bit, but it's you're wearing
also
it.
like
Like,
this
look how cute that is. Well, let's just get one at a time.
Okay.
All
I'll
right.
do this one first.
You like that? I love it. Adorable. Any luck over here?
It's like weird tank tops.
It's not for you, huh? How you feeling? A little bit worn down?
Because there's tags on my shirts.
Oh, Gwen's kind of sensitive to tags. How about you? Are you sensitive to tags? No, you having the ice out of there?
Yeah.
Okay, how are you doing? Hanging in there? You getting tired? You look a little tired. Look like Jagger, he's been out for a bit. We'll have to get him up soon. Or he's gonna be up all night. How you guys doing?
I think we're doing okay. The couple things that we were wanting to find at Nordstrom, they're kind of sold out of, or like they don't have in stock right now.
Sure.
So we're just kind of looking. They do have some sale things. We're gonna take a peek at that.
So we're at Bed Bath & Beyond.
And Bath and Body Works.
And Jagger just woke up. So I think we're gonna get out of here now and head back to the house. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.